When you wanted to condemn the attack on JP Nadda's convoy, what were you told by the party and by whom? And secondly, what has been the biggest disagreement you've had with Prashant Kishore, the consultant whom you won't name?
I have no difference, and I appreciate whatever the consultants are doing. They have their job to do, and what I don't like that I cannot be dictated by that organization. They can't tell me कि आपको कहाँ जाना है, आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में क्या करना है. अरे भैया हम वहाँ करते हैं काम, हमको पता है. 25 साल के बच्चे को आप कहते हैं कि भाई आप उस जहाँ ये करो, वहाँ ये बात कर रहे भैया, आप घर में बैठ जाओ तुम यार, हमें पता है हमें क्या करना है. और वो भी पैसा लेके ऐसे बात करते हैं. ये नहीं होता है. Can you replace Mamata Banerjee with anybody else? No. And that is the problem. When Mamata Banerjee allowed herself to be replaced, that is the problem. It means she didn't have her own strength. When she fought the might of the CPM, there was nobody. And that is where the problem. And you are very clear that you have formed the party which is hijacked by somebody else, then that doesn't remain your party. What's the point?
So you're saying the Trinamool Congress has been hijacked. You're saying the Trinamool Congress has been hijacked by Prashant Kishore.
I am not naming anybody.
But there's only one consultant that I know of, unless you know of someone else.
I do not know. They may be having many. The fact.
Okay. Yeah.
The
go ahead.
fact is, today, those people call the shot, and they tell you who is going to get the ticket. They tell guys कि इसको मिलेगा, उसको मिलेगा, इसको मिलेगा. ये क्या बात है भैया? ऐसा नहीं होता है. वो जो पैसे कंसल्टेंट को दे रहे हो, गरीबों में बांट दो ना, तो आपके वोट वैसे ही बढ़ जाएंगे.
What happened with the Nadda convoy incident when you wanted to condemn it?
Nadda convoy happened. I was giving an interview to one of the channels, your X channel, and they said, would you not like to condemn violence on political functionaries? I said, political functionary, even an ordinary person, if there is violence, it is not acceptable. And then the small timer SMSs Mamata Banerjee that he has backstabbed the party. He talks to 5 MPs called me. He said, this is what he is telling, that you are backstabbing the party.
Which small timer?
I don't want to name anybody.
Okay, and then what happened?
And the leader listens to them. And those MPs called me that what the hell is this guy is trying to say? I said, that's the party now. That condemning violence becomes a big issue. And I have everything on my phone. It tells me, Arey, you did not abuse the Prime Minister. I'm not here to abuse anybody. Have you seen?
You were actually told to abuse the Prime Minister in your campaign speeches.
Every day.
The word abuse was used. Or was it criticized?
Take them on. You don't teach me. I'm much senior. I've seen many Diwalis than you have. So you don't teach me what I need to say. As long as I need to convey a message. Hardeep, a good friend of mine, I was talking something on Air India. So I said, Hardeep, a dear friend of mine, and I congratulate him, appreciate what he did during this lockdown. Brought people. Then I said, but it was all done by Air India. And you want to sell, then I give the punch. I give it in a civilized way. So some of the party people, the small timers, just says the front line. Arey, he's appreciating. That's it. And then Mamata sends me the clip. Then I tell her that whoever is doing that is your enemy, not your friend. So this is small time, small. This is Oprah. It doesn't work like that. And if people are leaving, then you should introspect rather than passing all this kind of remark that they passed during when I left the railway also. So all this remark, then the whole party is full of Mir Jafars. When you left Atal Bihari Vajpayee, if you leave wholesale, then you are pious. If you leave one, if you are fighting with Congress, then you form a government with the Congress, then you're okay. ऐसे नहीं होता है. And people understand that. What is what they understand. When it becomes out of limit, then only you react like that. Otherwise, give me any history where somebody has 5.5 years left. Somebody say you must be loony to do that. You're comfortable. What the hell you're trying to do? What will you get there? Can
What was
any
the tipping point? I have to ask you again. What was
tell
that
me?
last point when you decided, I'm going to quit? What happened?
Can anything be bigger than the railway minister? Yeah, prime minister. That's all. So I have got everything. What is there for me to have it? Who can give me more than what I have already have it? And we have all achieved it collectively. किसी की दया या दक्षिणा से नहीं आया. ये तो अपने ऊपर वाले की देन से आया है ना, अपने हुनर से आया है. किसी की
बिल्कुल.
दया.
आप एक बात बताइए before I let you go. Prashant Kishore, the consultant whom you won't name, had a tweet claiming that the BJP wouldn't cross double digits in Bengal. What is your assessment? Who's going to win or lose Bengal?
Well, even astrologers can't tell. And first of all, this is the proof. This is the proof that the party has been outsourced. If you are a consultant, then behave like a consultant. Don't become the mouthpiece of the party, right? You are not the spokesperson of the party. And I'm glad you talked about this tweet.
Yeah.
Who on earth are you to tweet on behalf of the party? Now that's what shows where is the party gone. I can understand any spokesperson putting that tweet. What is your credential for that tweet? I want to ask. You have an answer? Are you a party member? What are you? I'm not.
What happened with him? What happened between him and you that you're so angry with Prashant Kishore?
He's a friend of mine. I have known him for a long time. He's a very dear friend.
So then what happened? You don't sound very friendly. You don't sound very friendly right now.
There is something called a value-based system. If does something wrong, just because he's my son or my relative, doesn't mean that I'll have a different view. I can still remain a friend. I have been friend with Modi. That didn't stop me from criticizing some of the policies. That didn't stop me.